everybody, so this is how you change a tire.
We good?
This is how you change a tire. So I have a flat right now, and I never changed a tire a day in my life, okay? So in my car, I have a donut. So this donut is gonna get me to point A to point B. And also it came with these two wrenches and this crank thing. So right now we're cranking the car up. He took that hook.
She said
he took this. I say we because he was doing it a totally different way. First of all, let's talk about how my hair is green. How? I don't know, but I like it. It was the chlorine in the pool changed colors of my hair. But yeah. So yeah, right now he's using that to hook it on there, and then he's using the other screw to twist it around to level up the car. Oh, I say we because he was doing it wrong, and
wasn't doing it wrong.
It's a man doing the job, but with a woman's direction. So we are changing the wheel.
You was holding it. The shit.
What you guys say? Cause you just what?
So you was looking up shit. So you know what I mean? So that's why you was directing, because you had the Google and the YouTube.
And who was talking in the video?
What?
A woman. All right. So look.
Fucking annoying.
So this is what we're doing, guys. This is what we're doing, guys.
You don't pick those up? No, I'm joking. I'm shooting a video, man. I don't got time for that. And I don't think I'm doing it right. But fuck it. Honestly, I think you might need to stop recording.
No, this is good. You want to act up? You look like a mechanic.
That's cool.
Hey, there you go.
There's a will, it's a motherfucking way. You know what I mean? That's what I gotta teach. I gotta teach my daughter how to change this shit.
She needs to know how to change a tire. Amia, whenever you get the chance to watch this and understand what's going on, you're gonna know how to change a tire. So when something happens with your car that daddy's gonna get you, you will know what to do when you have a flat and you're stranded. You will know how to change a tire, girl.
Oh shit. Oh, that was the door, never mind. Hair shit.
We're getting somewhere.
Fucking sweat. Indian style. See the muscles? They fucking ripped.
See his bones popping out.
Jeez Louise. How you doing though? Everybody good? What is this nigga doing?
Alright, so
Sorry.
I will show you guys the progress once we get somewhere. Alright, y'all, so when we was lifting this up, the car started rolling back. So I had to jump in the car and so I had to jump in the car and turn the car on to move the car forward. It looked a little weird on the outside, so I had to move the car up. So now we're trying to get it up higher so he could take this whole wheel out and put the donut in. So donut. All right, so this is how my trunk looks on a regular basis, and then he lifted this up and then lifted this up, and that's where the donut is, under the trunk.
But who called them?
Me.
almost dying.
Yeah, so we failed. I mean, there's gonna be one day. We failed. We failed. Done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She had the leadership in this whole.
So we failed.
You had the leadership in this whole blueprint
I
thing
didn't.
planned out. You was trying to be
I
Jay-Z, Kim K, but you fell short. Alright, Remy.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
We just had to do it. Maybe next time. Hopefully there's no next time, but if you're a car owner, there's always gonna be a next time. Always gonna be a next time. So I got my donut. Look at my little wheel compared to my other wheel. Huh?
Just throw it in the back.
You see the hole?
Alright, so this one's just take your time. Don't go too fast, alright?
Okay.
That's it then. You guys all set?
Thank you so much. Wait. Look at my poor little wheel. He was out. Now he could get himself something cold to drink. He tipped him. But yeah. Until next time, guys.